Good morning, fam. Coach Nate here. You made it. Congratulations. You're already ahead of 99% of people who wake up stiff and sluggish, and they wonder why they're not productive. Well, the tightness, the stiffness, and low energy is gonna go away after this routine. And in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to unlock your hips, stretch your spine, and fire up your energy levels so you feel light, flexible, and powerful all day long. Most people don't stretch right, making them even tighter, or they don't even bother stretching. They just watch this video, add it to their playlist. Today, let's fix that. One of these stretches is going to instantly unlock your lower back. But here's the catch, you have to do it correctly, and I'm going to show you how. And the last move in this routine is something you wish you had tried sooner. But don't worry, we're gonna do it together. Your hips aren't just stiff, they are limiting your flexibility, stealing your power, and making movement harder than it should be. Today, that's going to change, and most people don't realize their lower back tightness is coming from their hamstrings. This next move is going to fix that instantly. One small mistake might be stopping your stretches from working. We're gonna fix that too. And as you probably know by now, I enjoy giving away gifts. So make sure to stick through the end to find out what your gift is. I bet you're gonna enjoy it. Let's hit the mat. If your back feels stiff, your legs feel tight, and your shoulders feel stuck, this move is about to reverse all of that in seconds. Start in a plank position, hands shoulder width apart. Lift your hips toward the sky, pressing your heels toward the floor. Relax your neck and let your chest sink toward your thighs. Breathe deeply and paddle your heels to stretch your calves. I promise this move will lengthen your hamstrings, release your lower back, and make you feel lighter instantly. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees. Advanced stretches, try bringing your heels all the way to the ground and holding. Take a pause here. Can you press your chest a little deeper and feel your hamstring stretch? Now that your hamstrings and back are open, let's twist and unlock your hips. Your lower back and hips hold more tension than you realize. This stretch will release it all. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge, back knee down, place your left hand on the floor, and reach your right arm toward the sky, twisting toward your front leg. Hold and breathe deep into the stretch. I promise this move will open your hips, relieve your lower back, and set your spine free. Beginners, keep your hand on your knee for support. Advanced stretches, lift your back knee off the floor for more intensity. Do you feel that deep release? Switching sides, let's balance out the stretch. If you ever wake up with a stiff lower back, tight legs, or even feel shorter from poor posture, this move is about to reverse all of that in seconds. Stand tall, feet hip width apart, hinge at the hips and fold forward, letting your head hang heavy. Keep a slight bend in your knees if needed and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Let gravity pull your spine long and take deep breaths. I promise this move will relieve lower back pressure, stretch out your hamstrings, and improve your posture instantly. Beginners, keep a small bend in your knees. Advanced stretches, try grabbing behind your calves and pulling deeper. Pause here. Can you sway gently side to side? Feel that deep stretch? Now that your hips and spine are loose, let's deepen the hip stretch with pigeon pose. Your hips store all your stress, tension, and stiffness. This move is about to unlock them completely. Start in a tabletop position, then bring your right knee forward toward your right wrist. Extend your left leg straight behind you, keeping your hips square. Slowly lower your chest down and breathe deep into the stretch. I promise this move will release deep hip tension, improve mobility, and even help relieve lower back pain. Beginners, use a block under your hip for support. Advanced stretches, fold forward, reaching your arms out for a deeper stretch. Feeling that stretch? And sinking just an inch deeper. Don't leave one hip tighter than the other. This is where we put everything together. Hip mobility, spinal flexibility, and full body activation. Let's finish strong. Start in a deep squat, feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Plant one hand on the floor and reach the other toward the sky, twisting through the spine. Switch sides, alternating rotations. I promise this move will increase hip mobility, strengthen your legs, and improve spinal flexibility instantly. Beginners, hold on to a stable surface for balance. Advanced stretches, keep your heels flat and deepen the squat. Last move, can you twist just a little more and open up completely? Let's go all in. Deep breath in. Now exhale and feel your body unlock. Your legs are loose, your back is open, and your energy is up. This is how you start the day right. Your body needs more than just this routine. Go check out the free gift I have in the description. It's packed with everything you need to stay pain-free and flexible all day. Go click the link now before you forget. Your future